Hey guys, President of HB Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at the Palms in Bloomingdale, Georgia. We're going through a Beacon new home. This is the Moore plan. This is a 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bath home with 2,810 square feet. Let's check it out. All right, I love this. You got your 2-car garage right here. I like the blue color up there. Blue is my favorite color. I'm a Notre Dame fan, so, you know, blue and gold, baby. But here we go. We got the porch here, which is great for rocking chairs and stuff. And you watch the kids run around the neighborhood. Great location. I love it here. We are literally 7 minutes from the Costco. I timed it out for a client one time. Love the crown molding going off the top, rounded archways right there in the chair rail going around this dining room, big enough you could have holiday parties here, friends, family, that'd be great. And you come in here, love this fireplace. Like it really makes me want to get one of these things. They're really cool. And you can change the colors. It doesn't have to just be pink. It could be blue, it could be green, it could be whatever you want. Put your TV right up there. And then you got the half bath right there, which is very convenient. Okay, then you come in here. Pantry right here. It's a pantry. You've seen one before. If you've seen one, you've seen that one as well. All right, then you got a little nook right here to eat. Granite countertops right here, I love that. And the screened in porch, which we'll go out there later, okay? Stainless steel appliances come with this home. And then once again, I love all these cabinets right here, but it leads into, now this primary bedroom is really cool. And I'm gonna show you why, come on. So right now, it's not cool because it doesn't have lights in it, but with lights, great. Now they're doing something with the electrical here, but man, look how big this room is. I love it right here. I mean, you could do almost anything here. King size bed even right there would be dwarfed in this room. Let me think. I think I could fit an elephant in here. What do you think? Elephant? Brandon, what do you think? Elephant? 2 elephants? 2 baby elephants. 2 baby elephants. All right, you come in here. So it's a big size is basically what I'm trying to say. So much space for activities and all that kind of good stuff. Drum sets, you know, whatever you want to put in here. All right, love this. Right here you got 2 closets. We're gonna save that closet for last. You got one right here, which is nice size. And then you got the bathroom right here. Dual vanity, quartz or granite countertops right there. All the space down here. I mean, tons of space. For a bathroom, that is a lot of space. And I love that they got a separate tub and shower, and then you got a closet for your toilet. Check that out. All right, now if you thought the closet for the toilet was cool, check this closet out right here, leading into the laundry room. So it's fantastic. You come in door, here's your garage door. You just come out, you had a long day at work, take your clothes off, you throw it in the washing machine, come on in here, grab your clothes off the thing, get changed, come in here, and then you're comfy. You know what I'm saying? In your bedroom. You know what I'm saying? Kids can cook for themselves, they're fine. You know what I'm saying? Laundry room right here, love that. Little closet for your linen and whatnots. And then we'll go out to this 2-car garage. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. You know what I do like about this? That's some high ceilings. I mean, even your garage has high ceilings. That's great. I love that. What I do also like about this floor plan is master on the main. You know what I'm saying? Or primary on the main, however you want to call it. But it's a great feature if you don't want to be going up the stairs and all that good stuff to go to sleep. Yeah, let's go upstairs. Upstairs now, look at this. Wow, right? I think this is almost the size of the primary bedroom. Almost, yeah, no, it's great. Huge, I mean, this could be a second living room. Maybe if you have adult children or, you know, maybe your mom and dad, they want to live up here, have their own living room, not bother everybody. It's fantastic. And then there's 3 bedrooms up here. and a bathroom. I'm gonna let Brandon handle all these bedrooms, and I'll meet you outside. Now welcome outside to the backyard, and this yard's not so very big, but this screened-in porch is great. Check out the wildlife that's over there. Screened-in porch, you ain't gotta worry about gnats eating you up, so it's fantastic. So yeah, so that's the more plan from Beacon New Homes. If you have any questions about this home or any Beacon New Home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon, bye.